Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
So today we are going to make
Rock candy.
rock candy. Very good. Okay, so we need some popsicle sticks. We need, what's that?
And then sugar.
Sugar. I have here sugar water. So basically I boiled 2 cups of sugar, white sugar, in water.
Yes, get started.
Yes, and then we need 2 clear glasses and
then
some, what's this?
Colorful
Food coloring.
food coloring.
Okay, let's begin. You need to dip the popsicle sticks in water, and then here, you put sugar on the popsicle stick. Put sugar. Yeah. There. Okay, so you do this so that the sugar, the rock candy, will stick on the popsicle stick. Okay, leave it here first.
Look.
And then the other one. Here.
And then this.
Leave it there first. Not yet. Put it down first. Put it down. Okay, the other one. Flatten it. You have to make sure that there's sugar on the sides. Okay. See, so you have to coat the popsicle stick with sugar. Okay? Okay, next step, you have to put drops of food coloring into the glass. What color do you want? Choose only 2 colors.
Red.
And one more color.
Blue.
Okay, red and blue. So, we'll set aside the green and yellow. Okay, so put 2 drops of red in the glass. Here. 2 drops. 2 drops. 1. Oh, that's enough. Other one. 2 drops here. Just 2 drops. 1, 2. One more. There. Okay, it's enough.
Water.
Okay, the next step is we're going to put the sugar water in the glass. Okay? Slowly.
Blue.
Other glass. Then go. And then we're going to put the popsicle. Okay, do you want to dip it for Mama?
Yes.
Dip it. Make sure it doesn't touch. Make sure the popsicle stick doesn't touch the bottom. And then you can clip it with clothespins. This. That. Oops. And then we'll put the other one also. And then we'll put the blue stick. See? Yes, and then you have to wait for.
7 minutes.
No, it's gonna take a week, Sebi. Okay, so that's it. So we'll wait for how many weeks? 1 week
1 week.
or 2 weeks. Okay, bye-bye.
Red one is so big.
No, it's not sticking yet on the stick. Right. Okay, so good morning, everyone. So last week we prepared our rock candy, and now it started to grow.
Grow.
Look at it. Show the camera.
Wow.
Now the challenge is how are we going to remove it?
This one.
Let's see the blue one. Maybe the blue one we can remove. Let's see. Grew. Whoa! There's the rock candy in the stick. Look. Stop, don't touch it first. Look, it's so beautiful. Look at the rock candy. Stop it. Look at the rock first, smile.
Cheese.
Okay, you wanna try it? It's sweet? Try it. Sweet?
Now you say the one, red one.
The red one? Okay, I'll try to remove it. Okay, wait, excuse me. No, no, careful. Okay, here's the red one. Show the camera also. There's the red rock candy. Smile. Smile. So we have two colors. Let's show the camera. We have orange and red rock candy.
How this one?
Let's stuck. Stuck it. Here, you can have this. Kuha ka muna